Closing financial periods in the AR subledger. We are going to review the statuses of different financial periods and close them in the AR subledger. To complete this process, we'll first prepare financial periods for closure and then close them. To begin with, go to the Receivables workspace and open the Close Financial Periods form. In the selection area, make sure the correct company name is selected and the action field is set to close. You cannot change the From Year field. However, you can change the To Year field. Select the unlabeled checkbox for the financial period you need to close. Note that the checkboxes corresponding to all the preceding periods are selected automatically. Click the Unreleased Documents button to verify that no unreleased documents exist for the selected periods. A new window opens showing the unreleased documents. You can either release these documents or reassign them to another financial year. To do so, click the reference number link of a document to open it and complete the steps to release or reassign it. After releasing or reassigning the documents, return to the Close Financial Periods form. Now that we have prepared the financial period for closure, let's close it. On the Form toolbar, click the Process button. Click Close. Now, to review the status of the closed financial period, go to the Finance workspace and open the Manage Financial Periods form. In the selection area, make sure the correct company name is specified. The action field is set to close, and the To Year field is set to the same year as that in the Close Financial Periods form. In the table, you can review the statuses of the financial periods that you closed earlier. The periods have retained the open status because they are still open in the subledgers and in the general ledger. However, the Closed in AR checkbox is selected for all the periods. That is, these periods have been closed in the AR subledger.